What if I told you you could send a beautiful WhatsApp sale campaign to 1,000 plus customers by just one click? Not individually, not manually, not by copying and pasting messages again and again. Just one click and within a second your customer receives a professional WhatsApp promotional message with attractive image, personalized text, sale offer and the quick buttons too. Sounds powerful, right? So yes, this is what exactly I am going to show you in today's video, as we are going to create a high converting WhatsApp broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. And this is not just a normal text message, we are creating a professional season finale sale broadcast campaign that looks premium, interactive and conversion focused. And the best part, this single campaign can instantly reach thousands of WhatsApp users at once. So if you run a real estate, e-commerce, service-based or any other business, then this feature can massively improve your customer engagement and sales. So without wasting any time, let's start doing the setup of this amazing broadcast. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. See, Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing purpose. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you like this tool and you also want to create a AI assistant, WhatsApp chatbot or broadcast, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. This is especially for my viewers, so grab this offer as soon as possible. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. As we are creating a WhatsApp broadcast, so I am going in this broadcast feature. See, this is where everything happens. With the help of this broadcast feature, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to predefined list of contacts without getting banned. It is perfect for announcement, promotions and updates. I have also created some broadcast before. Now for creating a new one, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. See, this is the safest and easiest way to create a WhatsApp broadcast without getting banned. After coming in this page, you just have to select the broadcast type that I am selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast one name that I enter as broadcast sale. After that, you just have to select the contact list from here that I am selecting as new list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your specific contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to go in this contacts feature and move towards this plus add contacts. You can also add contacts one by one by manually adding it, but I refer you to add contacts in bulk by selecting this option. And here you just have to upload the CSV file that consists all of your users' contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the user's data in the simplest format, just like a first name, last name and phone number. You can create a CSV file by using Excel or Google Sheet. I have added my users record inside my Google Sheet. After that, I am downloading this file in a CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, which means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. Now for uploading a contacts, you just have to click on this option. After that, click on this add new file and just drag and drop this file here. After that, you have to click on this upload files button. Next, select the file from here and click on this insert button. After that, all your contacts gets insert. After that, click on this plus add contacts button. And this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Also create a list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list, where I have added only 51 contacts, and this is the same list that I have selected here too. Next one is the refine audience. It is an optional where you can exclude the contact list you don't want to receive the broadcast. So I am not excluding any contact list, but you can select it from here if you want to. And if you want to exclude any specific contacts that does not receive the broadcast, then you can select that contact from here. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip the contacts who message you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive the broadcast message again. After that, the most important part where you just have to select the message type. It It will provide you two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also create a regular message by selecting this option and select the message type from here. After that, enter the message in this field, but I refer you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. Now for uploading a new template, you have to click on the select WhatsApp template button and select the template from here. See, this is the season finale sale template that I have already created before. Now in this body name field, I am entering as dollar symbol with name. With the help of this variable, automatically the user's name will come as this dollar symbol name makes the values dynamic. After that, I am clicking on this upload media button and uploading this image from my library and clicking on this insert button. See, this is the final look of the template that are going to be sent to my user. Next, I am clicking on this done button. See, the template is selected successfully. Now for creating this template, you just have to click on this templates feature as everything is present inside the single tool. See, this is the templates feature of Pabbly Chatflow. It is used for easy access and scale communication. Templates are approved by Meta and it follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. And this is the season finale template that we are going to use today. I have added one variable in this field by the name of name and added two curly bracket at the starting and the ending. With the help of this, automatically the user's name will come. As I already explained you about this too. For creating a new template, you just have to click on this plus add template button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now we will go back to the setup of our broadcast message. After selecting the template, I am going to enter the username as a test user and entering my number in this field just only for checking that this broadcast is working perfectly or not. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now I am going to show you my WhatsApp account. Immediately I received a new message that includes my name as a test user and all the details that were entered inside this template. And this means that our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you just have to schedule the broadcast. It will provide you two options as yes, schedule for later and no send instantly. So if you want to send this template to all of your contacts, then you just have to select this no send instantly option and click on this plus add broadcast button. And this template is going to be sent to all of your users. But I am scheduling this template for later, so I am selecting this option. After that, I am selecting the date and time from here. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 28th of May at 5 p.m. See, on 28th of May 2026 at 5 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all the contacts that are present inside this list. After that, I'm clicking on this plus add broadcast button and see our broadcast is created successfully and it is visible here too and it is scheduled here too. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and export the report from here. Here you can see the status as sent, delivered, read, pending and ignored, and you can also resend the broadcast to the failed contacts too. So this is how smartly you can do the broadcast setup by using Pabbly Chatflow. I have taken this template as a complete example. You can customize this message, make them more interactive, more interesting towards your user. My objective is only to teach you how you can use this amazing tool called Pabbly Chatflow. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing WhatsApp broadcast, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.